My name is Anshika Singh. I am 6 years old. Today I answer few GK questions. Okay, let's start it.
Okay, let's start from national symbols.
Okay.
Our national bird is
Peacock,
national animal,
tiger,
national flower,
lotus,
national fruit,
mango,
national tree,
banyan,
national river,
Ganga,
national game,
hockey,
national fruit. Acha, okay, fruit is already. Okay, 26 January is celebrated as
Republic Day,
correct. 2nd October,
Gandhi Jayanti,
15 August, Independence Day.
Independence Day.
Okay, the festival. Now let me ask something on Festival of India. Are you ready?
Yes,
Okay. Which festival is popularly known as Festival of Light?
Diwali,
The festival also known as Vijayadashmi.
Durga Puja,
The festival celebrated after the completion of month of fasting called Ramadan.
Eid,
Which festival is known as the Festival of Colors?
Holi,
The festival celebrates the birth of Jesus Christ.
Christmas,
In which state Lohri is celebrated?
Punjab,
Correct. And what is Parsi New Year called?
Nowruz.
Very good. Now few questions from Animal Kingdom.
Okay.
You have to tell me the sound they make. Okay. Sound of cow,
Moo,
lion,
roar,
horse, cat,
meow,
dog,
bark, bark,
pig,
oink, oink,
donkey,
haw,
duck,
quack, quack,
frog,
rabbit, rabbit,
bees.
roo, 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 roo.
And now you have to tell me their young ones. Okay, babies of the animals. What are they called? Young one of lion,
Cub,
cat,
kitten,
cow, calf,
calf,
sheep,
lamb,
kangaroo,
joy,
butterfly,
caterpillar,
frog,
tadpole,
and hen.
chick.
Correct. Now something from plants.
Okay.
We eat the root of which plant?
Carrot,
We get oil by crushing.
coconut,
And which parts of plant soaks up water and nutrients from the soil?
roots,
And we make clothes from the fiber of which plant?
cotton,
And we make sack, ropes and mats from the fiber of.
jute,
And small young plant is called.
seedling,
Correct. Now we have to say world famous monument situated in Dubai, UAE. That is the longest building in the world. Is called means tallest building.
Burj Khalifa,
Yeah. And which bird does not sleep at night and have a far sight?
owl,
Yes. And can you tell me Eiffel Tower is situated in which country?
Eiffel Tower,
Paris.
palace,
Paris, not palace.
Paris,
Now some question from the cartoons. Your favorite one?
Okay.
A cat that always chases Jerry the mouse.
Tom.
A big dog who loves to eat and his best friend is Shaggy.
Scooby-Doo.
I am the most mischievous boy and I have a dog named Shiro.
Shin-chan.
I have the Omnitrix attached to my wrist and I can transform into different aliens.
Ben 10.
I am a young boy from Dholakpur and I love eating laddus.
Chota Bheem.
He helped Lord Rama fight Ravana.
Hanumanji.
These are two best friends. One is fat and other is thin. The fat one loves eating samosa.
Motu Patlu.
He is the fat blue cat. Some naughty cockroaches always trouble him.
Augie and the Cockroaches.
And he has Nobita with his gadget. Who is he?
Doraemon.
Okay, now you have to tell me yes or no. Okay, you have to just tell me right or wrong. I'll
Okay.
tell you the statement. In the movie Finding Nemo, Nemo is a fish.
No.
And these questions are from cartoon movies.
Okay.
In the movie Toy Story, Woody is a robot.
Yes.
In the movie Cars, Lightning MC Queen is a car.
Yes.
In the movie The Lion King, Simba is the father of the child.
Yes.
In the movie Kung Fu Panda, Panda is a dragon warrior.
No.
Who is Panda? He is a bear.
No. Panda.
Okay, okay,
Kung Fu Panda.
Correct. In the movie Bolt, Bolt is a cat.
No.
In the movie Frozen, the queen has power to create ice.
Yes.
Do you know her name?
Elsa.
Oh right, Elsa. In the movie Jungle Book, the boy name is Moti.
No. Mowgli.
Yes. In the movie Boss Baby, the baby was the boss.
Yes.
Okay. And now I'm going to ask you from sports, famous sports heroes, the most important one. Okay.
Okay.
And this is the last section. He is the captain of Indian cricket team and also known as King Kohli. Who is he?
Virat Kohli.
She was the first Indian woman to win a medal in badminton at the Olympic Games.
Saina Nehwal.
Are you feeling sleepy, Kana?
No.
Okay. She became the first Indian woman boxer to win gold at 2018 Commonwealth Games.
Mary Kom.
He is the only Indian wrestler to win 2 individual Olympic medals.
Shashil Kumar.
He is known as Captain Cool of Indian cricket team.
MS Dhoni.
Correct. And he is the professional shooter who is an Olympic gold medalist.
Avinav Mindra.
She is the captain of Indian women cricket team.
Mitali Raj.
She is the first Indian female gymnast ever to compete in Olympics.
Deepa Karmakar.
She is a very famous Indian woman athlete in track and field event.
Hima Das.
And the last one, he is a famous Indian, 5-time world chess champion.
Vishwanath Anand.
Very good. Marvelous.
Bye. Thank you. You like this video, then subscribe.